Hey squad, hey, if you're new here, hit that like button for your girl. Join the fam bam. Comment down below because you know I want to know, honey. So in today's video, we are doing my very special monetization challenge with my very special guest, More Eats. Boom, boom, boom. I love saying that. So let's get into the intro and then I'll tell y'all about More Eats. And then we're going to get into this challenge. Are y'all ready? Because I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. I'm so ready. Period. Hey, squad. Hey, it's that DIY queen. You already know what time it is. Yeah. Let's go, all my real MVPs. All right, you guys. So I'm doing a monetization challenge. I just got monetized currently, so I'm celebrating with More Eats, my sister. Y'all didn't know they eat. That's my sister. So we're gonna do the challenge. We got together and I was like, sis, we should do a challenge for the people. So we're gonna do a challenge and we're gonna get this done and we're gonna get this started. So all right, y'all, so here's a little bit about More Eats. I'm gonna do a little short clip, her little short intro that I always play before I ever do a challenge, one of her challenges. So y'all know. So run the intro, run her intro for y'all. Period. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, Keisha. Now I'm tripping. That's too, all right. Yes, we got that seasoning.
I'm fire, right? You want that Dr. Pepper? Hello, my mama.
Yes, you guys, so that's what we eating today. Boom, 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 More eating. Grab your drinks and your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. And welcome to Hot Dog Madness. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl More Eats and your girl Agnes. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, share me out, hit the bell, comment below, all that good stuff so you won't miss me again. All right, you guys, that's a little bit about More Eats. So yeah, so we got together and I was like, sis, let's do a challenge for my monetization challenge. So we are doing a challenge. So you should do a little bit ASMR for y'all, but we're not gonna focus on that. But I am drinking apple cider. You can drink. I have some apple cider. I already poured it already. There you go, period. Cheers. And cheers and congratulations. Okay, is in order. And you can have any type of dipping sauce. So now, right now, I have my salsa. I have my sauce. So y'all can have any type of dipping sauce that y'all want. Any type of dipping sauce. I got pico de gallo salsa. Spicy. So you can drink, you can have any type of dipping sauce, any type of salsa, anything. So, and you have to challenge 4 people. You have to challenge 4 people, period. 4. Uno numo, 4 in a challenge. You have to challenge 4 people. So I challenge Shanette Nicole, Annabelle TV, Big Belly Bob, and Sincere Team. So those are my 4 people. Shanette Nicole, Annabelle TV, Big Belly Bob, and Sincere Team. I may add one more just for, shits and giggles. We're going to add Marquise Hilton too. I was like, let's do 4, but we're going to add one more and see if he could do the challenge, okay? So all you have to do is, you have to get you some mini tacos. You can get them from the grocery store. You can get them, you can make them yourself. I got mine from the grocery store. And you have to have 20 mini tacos in 10 minutes. If you feel like you can do more, you can do more and do more. Period. But I'm hungry now, so let's get it popping, let's get it pushing, let's get it moving forward. Yes, this channel y'all know it's challenge month. So yes, we're gonna get this popping, pushing, move forward. Let's go! Are y'all excited? I'm excited. I don't know why I'm so loud. I'm excited. Okay, let's go. Period. I'm about to turn to timer right now, and I'm about to get it started because I'm hungry. I hope I finish. What y'all think? Y'all think I can do it? The last challenge, Shanette Nicole, I did it. If y'all didn't see it, run it back and go watch it. Period. Because your girl did that. I did that. I did that. I'm about to do this one too. Period. Let's go. Okay. Oh, clock. It's on. Mm-mm. Woo! It's a lot of bread. And God said 10 minutes, not 8. I was gonna say 8 minutes. Oh. A lot of bread. Ooh, child. Ooh, Lord. Y'all think it's easy, huh? Y'all like, oh, this easy. They're just mini tacos. Child of God. Maurice, I hope you beat it too. And I'm eating 2 at a time. Y'all, my mouth is getting tired. Whew. Oh my goodness. I was like, this is gonna be easy. Lord, I hope y'all finish it. I hope y'all finish it off for me. I really do. I hope y'all able to do this. Whew. Shoot, I'll be happy if I get through 10. I'm trying to tell you. Oh my God. I'm going on a diet this next month. Your girl going on a diet. I can't eat all that bread. I'm trying to hurry up her. Whew. Couple seconds. Man. Oh my Jesus. Whew. Oh Jesus. Oh. Man. Woo, check out. How do y'all be doing these challenges? Whew. Hold on. Whew, Lord. Y'all. Y'all think it's easy till y'all start eating it. I'm trying to tell you. You think it's easy, and I ate 10. And these little pieces on the side piece right here is little pieces on the side piece. I was like, no ma'am, no sir. I am next. And it's a lot of meat. So technically I ate 10. Your girl ate 10, technically. And technically I left 10. Because yeah. That was a lot. That was a lot of bread. Y'all like, oh, it's just mini tacos. It's just mini tacos. It's easy. You could do it in 10 minutes. It's easy. And okay. Okay then. I want to see y'all do it then. I want to see y'all eat 20 tacos, 20 mini tacos in 10 minutes. I want to see y'all eat it. Okay. I want to see Chanel Nicole, Annabelle TV, Big Belly Bob, Sincere Team. You know, so Marquis Hills, you do it too. even have your mom join in. Big Belly Bob, Miss Shane Show the Recipes can join in with you. Oh, I'm just knocking stuff over. I'm just like, oh my God. I'm surprised I ate 10. Okay. Minus all, the extra, pieces that are left over like this. Don't come for me in the comments now. Talk about some. You ain't really eating since you left those pieces. Don't come for me. Y'all do it. I want to see y'all do it, okay? I want to see y'all do it. Challenge 4 people. Challenge 4. And if you made it this far in the video, comment down below and say, sis, I'm the real MVP, because you know you are the real MVP. Period. My stomach not going to like me after this. I'm going on diet next month. And I'll be back with another one. I'll be back with another challenge. You know what to do. Hit that like button. Join the fan base. Comment down below, because you know I want to know, honey. And hit that notification bell for future videos. And your girl will be back with another one. Thank you to my sis More Eats for doing the challenge with me. And yeah, I hope y'all run it back. I can't wait to see who finished. I can't wait to see y'all do the challenge. I'm just trying to tell you. And I'll be back with another one. Peace, love, and hair grease. Period.